Celery task not throwing exception and Django tests. I have a couple of celery tasks that are included in my Django tests. Unfortunately, exceptions are not thrown when tasks are invoked via delay. I'm setting celery _always _eager to true. Task.py. Test.py. Output. When removing the delay, the test exits with an error as expected. Versions.
Seems I additionally have to set celery _eager _propagates _exceptions to true.
Under Celery 4.0, I had to use celery _task _eager _propagates.
Everyone, Celery. Прежде чем себя subscribing.